Creek time, 5 minutes, creek time, let's go. Big U. Oh shit, it snapped on some fucking wood. Oh, fucking sticks or wood?
Get it too. Oh, right there.
Oh, right there, you see. Shit, my fucking nose, shit. Fucking stuff on some fucking wood. Oh, shit.
Yeah, this makes you feel real fucking nice after a good fucking day of working, bro. Just fucking soak your shit in the fucking creek, Jeffrey. Can't wake your ass up. Right fucking there. Let's go.
Alright, Chad, that's the 5 minute timer right there.
Right fucking there. Right fucking there.
That fucking cold plunge, that cold water every single day. Let's go. Come on now.
That fucking water.
Right there. Those fucking abs.
You know what I'm saying? There's a healer. The water heals you, Jeffrey. It's gonna heal your spirit. It's gonna heal your fucking testosterone.
Getting that cold plunge, getting that cold water every single day. Ooh, dude, Jeffrey.